means. They've done something in the garage, Gint. What they done? Had a better look. And Matt said, I haven't got time, help you, I've got to go. That bad. That's very bad. Oh my God. Oh my God. Am I expected to clear this up before I go work? What have you done? Oh, Ginty, your sofa. What they done, Gint? Oh, Gint, what you done? Murphy? Malachi? What? Who? Hey, come back here. Who's done this? Yeah, I know it's not you, Ginty. I think I know who's done this. Oh, Gint, your sofa, we put you in here. Well, that just wasn't nice, boys. Oh, yeah, your beds are alright, aren't they? It's Ginty's sofa, isn't it, Gint? You tell him. You tell him, Gint. Well, thanks a bunch. Who's going clear the... Yes, you need look a bit guilty. Are you looking suitably guilty? Who's going clear this lot up? I bet you two aren't, are you? I know, babe, I know.